Hello friend, this is Space Clean. This is the first lecture for the introduction of the Space Clean. So let's go and see. This is the menu bar in which we have seen there is a different tools are there. Sketch. In the sketch we can draw the line, circle, and you will click it. It will show how to do it. This is the one thing in design. This is the another set of designing tool. How to use it, I will let you know. On the left hand side, this is the box. This is the detail box actually. Whatever you will select, it will become here. And this is the design window. Here we are actually designing anything, whatever you want. So we will go one by one. Let's see the one thing. First of all, for designing anything, we have to select the plane. So let's select the plane. We are seeing that here, these grids are showing to draw the sketch, but we have not selected the grids. So first select the axis plane on which you have to select it. So I am going to select the XY plane by clicking on the Z axis. XY plane is select, but the grid we have to select. So from here at the bottom we have to select the new sketch plane that we have clicked it. Now the click here so that it is selected. If you will not click it here, it will not be selected. Okay. Now the sketch grid is selected. We can draw anything here. First of all, if you want to draw the rectangle, click on the rectangle. From the left hand side, the detail box, try to read this detail box. This contains the so many information. Okay. So here you can see detail rectangle. So define rectangle from center. First of all, if I am designing, draw the sketch here of rectangle, you can see it is of dimensions. So whenever I start that here, it is started with the corners and the dimensions you can see here. It is coming 28. You can fill it 50. Press the tab bar. When you will press the tab bar, it will be shift the on another dimension. So I am giving it of 25 and enter. So this rectangle is drawn of 25 into of 50. I want to draw it the from define from the center. So just read it from here and you can say like this. I am just saying now this time I am making the square 50 tab 50. Now see, this time it is from the center and you can see this dimension was 25, so it was coming from the center. Okay. Automatically create constraints. Snap to the grid. This tick on the snap to the grid, so whenever you will do, it will be going on the snap to these grids. Okay. This will not start anywhere else from the C. It will start from the grids, not in between. Okay. Now I'm removing this tick. Now you can see I can start it from anywhere away from the grids, not only on the grids. So this left hand side detail box is very important. There are so many other things is there that you can read and understand it. Okay. Now this is a sketch. This is the curve only. Even this is not the surface. So here is the another tool, that is icon, from where we can return to the 3D. Okay. But we have to click it. We are not going to the 3D, but we have gone to the surface, from the curve to the surface. So here the surface is created. I have created this rectangle, then this square. So but this curve or this sketch has created this rectangle into two pieces. So we can select it, just control select these two and it will be gone to the selection. Okay, already here the pull tool is there. From this pull tool will source if I want to extrude it. Okay, there's so many ways of extrusion here. So I am again saying just go here and see on the left hand side detail box, you can see where is the add, cut, merge. So this time if I will just pull it here, just press the space bar so that it will be your dimensions now will vary. You can now put any dimension, for example 100, and then enter. The space bar is to just making this dimensions variable just for a while during the to change it, or you can say just change it. Okay, so 100 I have selected. Okay, this pull tool is like this. The another pull tool is there. See here, this time I am not able to select the below this square below portion because I have already pull it and or extrude it. By extruding this surface have combined and form the one surface. So whatever you want to do, you can just click, and this is of 100, I want to make it of 50. Okay, like this is of 50. Okay, I'm not making any specific geometry, but just I am showing it to you. Okay, so I'm not interested in all of these things. I was just demonstrating it you, just this is the introductory. Okay, so now again I want to show this is the solid. This is the structure tree actually. This structure tree is when I make the one thing that is a this is a solid. I forget to show you when it was in the sketch mode. Then its icon will be different. Okay. At the same time, if you will see at the bottom, this is called the status bar. If you will see here status bar, whatever you will do, a message will come here. For example, I am again going, I am selecting this, I am saying design sketch mode. I have said sketch mode, so this has came on this surface, the sketch mode came. I have gone, I have this plane view you can see here. So I have click it, so this will go on the plane view. Here you can see the message. Click to select, double click to select a tangent chain, double click to select a closed loop track. Okay, whatever you want to do, you can do it here. For example, I click it line, again the message will come. Okay, the line I am start, this line starts from the point I have clicked, then wherever I will end it. Okay, and you can see here the message was coming. If I click on the line, snapping to midpoint. Okay, snapping to midpoint. When I click this midpoint, again just click on the 100 or any dimension. You can see on the status bar here it is coming snapping to dimension value parallel to the curve, perpendicular to the curve, parallel to the grid. So this is perpendicular to this curve. Okay, 100, I click it. Okay, actually when I click, I have changed, I have my mouse get moved. That's why it has done like this. I'm pressing Ctrl Z. Okay, then I'm going it again because this is 90 and this is I have put that 100 here, then enter. It has came here 100. Okay, then I am putting the escape, it has moved. So I am now what I am taking it to the this line. You can see that is snapping to curve or anything it will become. And then I gone again to the solid mode. This curve is there or the line is there. When you will go on this line, you can see pull zero surfaces on the status bar. See here on the status bar, pull zero surfaces. When I extend this surface, okay, you can see I am putting it 100 again. Okay, so all our whatever the thing is there, it will be come here when it is in the selection bar. When I select the one face, you can see on the status bar select one face and it is coming the face. If I select the edge, it was coming the one edge, its length is 100 mm. So all of these things coming, it is the information bar, error, warning, selection list, progress, measurement, everything will come on the status bar, so be aware with it. Now come and see the structure tree on the left hand side, and you will see that is a solid. When you will click on the solid, it will show the solid, and in the structure tree you can see the icon of the solid. When it is a surface, you can see the icon of the surface. Curve, the curve, when it is the line here, so everything will come with a different icon. And this structure tree, this detail box, everything is important to you. So this is a lecture one, that is the introductory part. In this other different tools are there in the design, combine, everything I will go one by one. So this is a display tool. Okay, whatever you want to, how you want to see it. For example, split, you want to split this window into the two. Okay, you can do it here separately, you can do the things. No, you can do the thing on the one window that will be see on the another window, but in different planes. But you are making the one component of itself. Okay, so don't be in that one key, you can draw the two. Okay, like this. And this is a measure tool. Here you can click on the measure, you can click on any, so it will be come here directly, the length, anything, it will become here like this. There's a many different tools are here, we will go one by one. So this is the introductory lecture, lecture 1. Thank you, friends.